What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Link from the Legend of Zelda. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, so we're going to start from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we want to start by lining up the top, then bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So from the edge, it's going to bring this in and then back out. Now I want to add a glare across the bottom of the eye. So we're going to start on the left side, curve this down and then up. Draw the same thing on the right side. And we'll fill the top of the eyes in black going around that highlight. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the top of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve this down and then up. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's draw the edge of the tongue, starting on the left, come up and then down. Now I want to place the hair on top of the head. So from the center, we're going to move over towards the right side. We're going to start by curving this down and then across towards the eye. Bend this up towards the top. Now from the side, draw another curve. We're going to come all the way down towards the eye and then up towards the outside. Let's bend this back in, curving this up and in. Step back, curve this up and then in to create a fold. And step back again, add a curl going up and then out. Now I want to make our way back down towards this point. So we're going to come in and up towards the top, round this out, and come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's draw the right side of the hair. Starting right here, come down and then out. Bend this back in. And from here, we're going to step down towards the side, go around the side of the head, go up towards the top, and then we'll tuck that in. Now we're going to add that hair across the side of the head. Let's start from the side on the left, going around the eye, and then down towards the bottom, and then do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now from the bottom, we're going to curve this out, and then bend that back in underneath. Now I'm going to tuck the head in behind the hair. So we're going to step up on the left, curve this down just underneath the mouth, go across, and then back up on the right. Now let's give our character some eyebrows. On top of the right eye, angle this down and in. Now let's line this up on the left, going in between the hair. Now we're going to tuck the ears along the side. So let's start on the left side, bend this up and then out. Line that up on the right. Curve the bottom of the ear, coming down and then in. Now I want to add a fold across the top, going up and then out. Now we want to pull the hat over towards the right side. So let's start from the top left. We're going to go up, go across, and then down to create a fold. Step back up, bend this across, and then up. Let's round out the tip of the hat, bend this down, and then in towards the side of the head. Now with the head complete, let's draw in the side of the body. We're going to start with a collar. We're going to start with a V in the middle, coming down and then up. And then inside, we're going to add a small curve. Let's move over towards the side, bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Now from the hips, we're going to move to the center and draw a large circle for the belt buckle. Let's go back to the hips, curve the belt, coming down and in towards the side of the buckle. Step up and draw that same curve. Let's draw the bottom of the tunic. From the bottom corners, angle this down and out. Curve this down in the middle, and then back up. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Go to the right, go out, and then down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to come down and then up. Let's curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a gap on the inside. Now from the tunic, we're going to step in, bend the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add the edge of the boot across the leg, going down and then up. And then across the bottom of the feet, we're going to add a thick sole. So we want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now over on the left side, we're going to have this arm holding the sword. So let's start from the top of the body, bend this down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we want to curl the thumb going around the handle. We're going to go up, bend this down, round out the tip of the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's curl 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Come down towards the bottom, draw another oval, going up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Now the hilt of the sword is going to sit on top of the hand. So from the finger, angle is up and out. From the thumb, go up in the opposite direction. I'm just going to flatten off the ends, just angling up towards the edge of the sword. And then from the top, angle this back down towards the center. Let's go back to the middle. We're going to draw a straight angle line going across the center of the sword, up towards the tip. Angle this down towards the side. And we'll pull that back down on top of the hilt. Let's draw the handle underneath this bottom finger with 2 straight lines. And then we'll round out the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the wrist, curve the palm, coming all the way around and then out in behind the handle. And then from the bottom of the hand, bend the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now let's draw on the right arm. Start by lining up the inside, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers across the bottom, starting from the thumb, coming all the way around the bracket and then up. Go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, it's going to bend this all the way around the arm and then in toward the top of the body. And then we'll separate the cuff. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Link from The Legend of Zelda. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe to this channel for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.